Everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. This is Laura, and today I am planning in my mini planner. It's a happy planner, and I'm planning for the week of March 9th to March 15th. It's a beautiful, beautiful planner. I use this planner. It's kind of my ideas planner. I know that sounds funny, but if I don't plan things out, I don't always remember them, and so I like to put verses I'm thinking about, or verses I want to post about, or thoughts I want to post about. And sometimes I have my days themed. So anyways, I still like to decorate it because I like to decorate and I like things that are fun and happy. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to be using a lot of the Happy Planner stickers. Some of them will be minis and some of them will be in like the classic size, but they still work. And because I love them so much, this is probably just one of my favorite books that makes me laugh. It's the Happy Planner Sassy Plans book. It's just got some fun stickers in it. And yeah, come on. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I was kind of going to go with a little bit of a pink theme just because I'm still on that kick from February. I don't know what my problem is. I don't know. Maybe I'll get over it eventually. And I had some of these stickers left on my sheet. I kind of hadn't been using them. So, that's kind of my plan. I do plan on working out of this book also a little bit. This is the Choose Happy mini book. So yeah, that should be good. All right, so let's get started. Okay. I wanted to put this Be Kind to You sticker in it. I thought that maybe would kind of be my theme. And I was going to put it on Wednesday, and see, it's kind of big, but I plan to overlap a little. So, but I thought that would be a good theme to remember for the middle of the week. And yes, I could rip my pages out, but I'm finding that I don't like to do that. Okay. And then, so with the Be Kind, I thought, okay, we could use my Be Kind sticker up here. And I thought about putting that like in the middle of this. And then I saw the One of a Kind, and I thought that would be a good reminder. Guess what? This is going to be our kind week. I don't know. I think I'm going to put it down here. And so for me, because of the businesses I run, so my thought process for that day will be to talk about being one of a kind. I don't know. It's just the way it works for me, so I do it. And then I love adding these pink flowers in, so I thought I'd do that. I'm going to be sad, I think, when I don't have these flowers anymore. Okay. And then I love this little cup of, we'll call it a cup of chai. I don't know. It's probably a cup of coffee, whatever. And I thought I'd put that on Friday because that's kind of part of my theme of Chai and Faith. And then, so I'm trying to leave enough room for when I do want to write things, so I won't fill in everything. Oh, this might be a little too big. I was hoping to use that. Bummer. Okay. I guess I could cut it. Maybe we'll use this one. This one's just a little bit thinner too. It says love on it. And I'll do, oops. Okay, so because I'm going to run over, I'm not going to use my punch. I'm just going to trim the sticker. I could punch it through, but I feel like, yeah, just for that one, we're going to trim it. Okay, so I like to plan simple in these because I like to be able to have space to write. An example, let me see if I have one really quick that I can share. That one's not really full, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. I fill it in. I didn't fill in this week super well, but you know, intentions and questions I want to ask and verses I want to go over. So I've been filling them up a bit more as I've been going through the year because it has been helping. But this is my mini happy planner for the week of March 9th to 15th. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope I see you again. Have a blessed day.